Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm just gonna give you guys a quick update. I'm gonna start working on the wiring harness. I let a buddy of mine a buddy of mine actually touch the harness when I first did the F20B swap in my car, and long story short, he did a pretty hack job with it, and I was not too happy. So if you look at it right now, you can kind of see it's kind of a mess. I started putting some wire loom on it. I'm just trying to figure out where everything goes. I labeled everything before taking it out of the car, and so I'm going to be working on that. So I'm going to do a quick little time lapse, sit here, listen to some music, and jam out for a little bit. So yeah, check it out. Alright, and we're finally done. It looks alright. I mean, for what it is, you know, you can't really get too picky about it. So I basically just wire loomed the whole thing. There's a couple more things I'm going to do really quick, but I don't need to show the video for that. Finally got all these loose wires loomed up, and then I still have some connectors that are not being used. I don't know if this is used, I forget. I didn't mark it though. This needs to be pretty much zip tied against. I have this one together, this one together. These connectors aren't used for anything. And I loomed up pretty much everything. This is a single wire. I didn't think it was worth looming, so I'm just going to leave it the way it is. My Dizzy wire, my VTech wire, and then the main harness plugs, obviously, those are pretty much already done. The alternator wire is all done. And we have a couple other things. Yeah, this is just a single wire, and it's pretty thick, so I don't think I need any loom on it. Pretty much used all of my small loom. Then I have my medium, and then I have my large. I used all the small, so yeah. I mean, seems all right. Just can't wait to see what it looks like when we get it on the car.